Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our maths class children. Let's do exercise 7F, multiplication of two digit number with two digit. In this question first we multiply the digit at the ones place with the digit at the ones place, then the digit at the ones place with the tens place, then the digit at the tens place with one place, and then tens place at the tens place. Okay, so let's start. Instead of doing this question separately, we will do this in cluster copy also. Okay, 8 2 is 16, 6 carry 1, 7 8 is 56 and 157. Yeah. Now cross multiply 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14. Okay, now we are going to add this up. 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 carry 1, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 4 is 10, so 0, carry 1, 1 and 1 is 2, so 2016. Now 59 into 42, so 2 9s are 18, 8, carry over 1, 5 2s are 10 and 1, 11, so we will put a cross or you can just put a 0. 9 4s are 4 9s are 36, 6 carry 3, 5 4s are 20, 21, 22, 23. So the answer, so 23. Now 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2. Okay children, so answer is 2478. Now part C, 9 6 are 54, 4 carry over 5. Now 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 32. Now put 0 over here. 3 6 are 18, 8 carry over 1. Now 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. Now add these up. 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1. So 1404. Now children, part D, 528 into 14. 8 3s are 24, so 8 4s are 24, 2 carry 4. So children, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11 12. 8 4s are 32, 2 carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry over 1. Now 4 5s are 20 and 1, 21. Okay children. So put a 0 over here, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. Now add them up, 2, 9, 2 and 1 is 3, 5 and 2 is 7. So 7392. Now next 432 into 22. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 2 4s are 8. Now put 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now add this up, 4, 10, 1, 8 and 1 and 9 and 6 is 15, 5 carry over 1, 8 and 1 is 9. So 9504. Now part F, 155 into 35. 5 5s are 10, 0 carry 1, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 5s are 25 and 2 is 7, 7 carry 2. Now 5 1s are 5 and 2 is 7. Put 0 over here, 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 5s are 15 and 1 is 16, 6 carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1, 4. Now add this up, 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, so 2 carry 1, 7, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 7 and 14, 4 carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5425. Now part G, 1356 into 18, 6 8s are 48, 8 carry 4, 8 5s are 40 and 4 44, 4 carry 4, 8 1 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 8 carry 2. 8 ones are 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1 6 are, put a 0. 1 6 are 6. 1 5 are 5. 1 3 are 3. 1 1 are 1. Now add this up. 8, 10, 1, 8 and 1 is 9. 9 and 5 is 14. 4 carry 1. 3 and 1 is 4. 1 and 1 is 2. So 24,408. Now part H. 2086 into 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 carry 2. Now 8 4s are 32. 33, 34. 4 carry 3. Now 3. 4 2s are 8. Put a 0. 6 2s are 12. 2 carry 1. 8 2s are 16 and 1 17. 7 carry 1. 2 2s are 4. Do the addition. 4, 6, 7 and 3 10. 0 carry 1. 8 and 1 is 9 and 1 10. 0 carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 50,064. Now part I. 1972 into 31. 1 2s are 2. 1 7s are 7. 1 9s are 9. 1 1s are 1. Into 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 1 carry 2. 9 3s are 27. 27, 28, 29. 9 carry 2. 3 1s are 3. Add this up. 2, 6 and 6 is 12 and 1, 13, 3 carry 1, 9 and 1 10 and 1 11, 9 and 1 10 and 1 11, 3 and 1 is 4. So 41,132. Something, it's 61,132. Okay children. Now part J. 1142 into 26. So 6 2s are 12, 2 carry 1, 6 4s are 24 and 1 25, 5 carry 2, 6 1s are 6, 7 8, 8, 6 1s are 6. Put a 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now add this up. 2, 5 and 4 is 9, 8 and 8 is 16, 6 carry 1, 6 and 1 7, 8 and 9. Now 2. Okay. So answer is 29,692. Now part K. 5 5 is 25. 5 carry 2. 5 1s are 5 and 2 is 7. 5 3s are 15. 5 carry 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Now put 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 carry 1. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now add this up. 5, 12, 2 carry 1, 5 and 1 is 6, 6 and 4 is 10, 0 carry 1, 9 and 1 is 10 and 1 11, 1 carry 1, 6 and 1 is 7 and 1 is 8. So answer is 81,025. Now part L. 1426 into 25. 5 6 are 30, 0 carry 3, 5 2s are 10 and 3, 13, 3 carry 1, 5 4s are 20 and 1, 21, carry 2, 5 1s are 5, 6 and 7. Now 0, 6 2s are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now add this up. 0, 5, 5 and 1 is 6, 7 and 14 and 1 15, 2 and 1 is 3. So answer is 35,650. Okay children. So this is our answer. We have done this in our book. Now we are going to do in our classroom copy. So copy down. So children, 72 into 28. So 8 2s are 16, 6 carry over 1. Now 7 8s are 56 and 1 57. So 57. Now put a cross or 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. So add this up on 6, 7 and 3 is 10 and 1 is 11. 1 carry 1. 5 and 1 is 6 and 4 is 10. 0 carry 1 and 2. So answer is 2016. Okay. Now part B, 59 into 42. So 2 9s are 18. 8 carry 1. Now 2 5s are 10 and 1 is 11. Now put a cross or 0. 9 fours are 36, 6 carry 3, carry over 3. Now 4 fives are 20 and 3 is 23. Now add this up. So 8, 6 and 1 is 7, 3 and 1 is 4 and 2. So 2478. Now part C, 36 into 39. 9 6 are 54. 4 carry 5. 9 threes are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 32 is there. Put across or 0. 3 6 are 18, 8 carry 1, 3 threes are 9 and 1 is 10. Now add this up. 4, 8 and 2 is 10, 0 carry 1, 3 and 1 is 4 and 1. Okay, so answer is 14,004. Now part D, 4032 into 22. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now put across. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now add this up. 4, 10, 0 carry 1, 8 and 1 is 9 and 6 is 15, 5 carry 1, 8 and 1 is 9. So answer is 9504. Now children, part F, 155 into 35. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 5s are 25, plus 2 is 27, carry 2, 5 1s are 5 and 6 7. Now 3 5s are 15, put a 0, 5 carry 1, 5 3s are 15 and 1 16, 6 carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. Now add this up. 5 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 carry 1. So 7 and 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 carry 1, 4 and 1 is 5. So 5,425. Now part G, 1356 into 18. So children, 6 8s are 48, 8 carry 4. Okay, now 8 5s are 40 and 4 is 44, 4 carry 4. 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 8 carry 2, 8 1s are 8 and 2 is 10. Okay, now put across. 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Now add this up. 8 and 10 is 0, 1, 8 and 1 is 9 and 5 is 14, 4 carry 1, 3 and 1 is 4, 1 and 1 is 2. So answer is 24,408. This is our answer. Now part I, 1972 into 31. 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7, 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1. Put across a 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 1 carry 2, 9 3s are 27, 27, 28, 29, 9 carry 2, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. Now add this up. So 2, 6 6 are 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1. Now 9 and 1 10 and 1 is 11. So 1 carry 1. 9 and 1 is 10 and 1 11. 1 carry 1. 5 and 1 is 6. So answer is 61,132. Now part J. 6 2s are 12, 2 carry 1, 6 4s are 24 and 1 25, 5 carry 2, 6 1s are 6, 7 and 8, 6 1s are 6. Now put cross or 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now add this up. 2, 5 and 4 is 9, 8 and 8 is 16, 6 carry 1, 6 and 1 7 and 2, 9 and 2. So we have answered 29,692. This is our answer, children. So we have done part A, B, C, D, F, G, I and J. Rest part D is for your homework, H is for your homework, L and K is for your homework. And homework you have to do in your homework copy, and rest of the sums you have to complete in your classwork. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a great day.